Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you how to solve problem of lowest common multiple of 3 numbers. Solution: long factor methods. In long factor methods, we have to write 6, 8, and 9. We look for the smallest prime number that can divide all of them without remainder, either any of them without remainder. We look for the prime factor that can divide any of them without remainder, which the smallest is 2. 2 gives you 3, 4, and 9. The next is 2. 2 here 3, 2 here 2, 2 into 9, 9. The next is 2. 2 into 3 remains 3. 2 into 2 gives you 1. 2 into 9, 9. The next is 3. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 1, 1. 3 into 9, 3. And the last one is 3. We have 1, 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM is equal to, we pick all the factors here, which will give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which will give us 72 as the answer. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.